I just want to start from Killpips Mind and Marks. Bern, how are you, Bern? Welcome to you. Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Sure. First of all, thank you very much, Francesco, for this giving me the
You too?
opportunity to introduce myself at your in your community, so to say.
How long have you been trading? Which market do you mainly trading?
Look, first of all, I'm a German. I'm based in Germany. I'm retired already. I'm in the 60s. That means I could dedicate all of the time to trading, which became my passion. But that was not, of course, all of the time. Yeah. I like trading. I like trading futures mainly, but I'm also trading already, let's say more than 10 years. I started about 10 years ago with trading precious metals directly at the Australian Stock Exchange. I was trading explorers pretty
Oh,
successfully. Later on, I switched from precious metals to CFDs, which was also good, but a little bit, you know, I learned a lot about futures and then I decided, hey,
oh,
futures are the real thing. I decided after 4 years, about 4 years, I decided to trade futures only. I have invested in myself. I took some education and some trainings, some mentorship that lasted about 9 months, where I was educated in volume trading. This is a special kind of future tradings, but that is, to me, it was really enlightening. I learned a lot about the volume profile, about order flow, about price actions, and all of that footprint. I became an expert in footprint, so to say. So that is my brief introduction and history. Why trading at all?
Uh, oh,
And sorry to interrupt, futures here I specialized. Yeah, I was trading the ES, I was trading gold, oil, different futures, but I found out after some time that the Nasdaq futures, this is my thing. I know, you know. I learned a lot about the
the
Nasdaq.
same
I
for
learned the
me.
market. I learned every detail, and I'm still learning. You always are learning, yeah.
Yes,
But the Nasdaq is my baby, so to say.
the same for me. Nasdaq is my kind love. Bern, how you discover my levels and do you use my levels?
Yes, look, I was participating during my education. I learned a lot of different discords, and I learned also there are some nice discords where you can expand your knowledge, where you have a community. As a trader, you are sitting in front of the monitor by yourself. Nobody's talking to you. But in the discords, you have a good community, you learn a lot, and you can exchange. And in one of these discords, I don't remember when or where, in which one, a lot of levels were discussed, like Trader Smart levels or Mentor Q levels and Killpips levels. And the Killpips levels, they were highly appreciated and recommended. So at that point in time, I decided, okay, let's go or let's try the Killpip levels. Before I knew the Killpip levels, I have done a daily analysis of the NQ volume profile, the 15-minute charts in sections, where are the high volume nodes, the low volume nodes, and all of that. But the advantage here with the Killpip level was it saves a lot of time because there have been some confluences between my analysis and the Killpip levels. And there is a huge advantage of the Killpip levels regarding the time frame. It's not only daily, it's monthly and it's weekly. And it is very surprising if you compare the levels, how they fit, how they what kind of meaningful information you get by the Killpip levels.
Thank you for this kind words for my levels. I am very very happy because I want other traders can use my levels, can approach can integrate my levels with our strategy because I think all people have the strategy, have skills, but I think if you integrate my levels, you can have the same vision and you can take advantage from, if you apply also my strategy, because my level is have the strategy behind, because every level I have a function. So this can help the trader to take decision with cognition of target, because level by level you can see where the market want to go. You have the start and the final movement. You have a level you have a zone, level mark the zone. Ben, your result is very impressive. You post your result in chat, and I want to congratulation with you for this exceptionally result you post. And you trade with prop firm, or you trade with your capital?
First of all, thank you very much. Again, I tell you, the levels to me have had a very significant impact on my trading. Your levels are suitable not only for beginners, but also for advanced traders. Why? Because, as you mentioned, they give a nice orientation, a nice guidance. If you are a day trader, you will see that the price of any product, be it the S&P 500 or be it the Nasdaq, throughout the day, almost all of the levels will be touched. And the levels, you can anticipate or you can learn that at each level there are certain price events. There are certain events, and the levels, they will be the target, or the levels will be matched on the tick, very often exactly on the tick. To me, that is a wonderful, yeah. So I have my own strategies. I'm more a scalper. But even the levels help me for my strategy, because sometimes the price is swinging between levels. So it's building a range. And for me, it's pretty easy to trade between ranges. Yeah? Or it increased my awareness. As soon as the price is coming closer to a level, then the alarm goes on. What will the price do? Will it break through the level, or will it bounce? Will we have maybe a rejection or something like that? Yeah, you can imagine in advance what the price might do, and that to me changed everything. I compared my own analysis with the Killpip levels, and then I gained within a very short time. I gained confidence in your levels, Francesco.
Thank you, Ben. I am.
Which on the other side increased my confidence in trading. So it's a
Yeah, because you can see the confluence, and you can take the trade with the major trust, because you have major confidence.
Absolutely. So it has two benefits here. First of all, it increased also my results. They became more and more consistent. I was always a kind of consistent trader, more or less. But with these level and with the increasing confidence, my consistency, my profitability increased significantly. I don't want to go into details here now, but this is also related to my risk management. To insert the Killpip levels into my charts in the bookmap, in Atas, and even I see them also in NinjaTrader and TradingView. When I'm working early in the morning, as soon as the levels arrive in my mailbox, I'm preparing the strings, I'm copy and pasting the strings in Bookmap, in Ninja, in Atas, and I already, got a feeling of the bias of the market. Where will it go? Where might it go today? You know what I mean.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and therefore all of that also increased my confidence, my risk management and everything. So I'm really happy, yeah, with that.
Thank you, Ben. So I am happy for meet you this morning, and for this I hope you can inspire other traders to follow me on social media for try advance for my level, for my service, and I hope this is the first interview for members of my service, and I am happy now to close this first interview. Thank you, Ben, for your experience, for your testimonial, and see you in next live. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you very much again for giving me this opportunity. And I tell all the people, I'm very satisfied with the service. I'm very satisfied, of course, with the Killpips levels. And to me personally, although I know I have my own setups, I know everything regarding volume trading and Nasdaq. I learned the market for many years now. However, I tell you people, the Killpips levels are a game changer, will be a game changer also to your trading. And with that, again, thank you, Francesco. Have a very good start to the week, and let's meet soon again.
Thank you, Ben. See you.